Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining and coming across my videos, if you like the content, consider subscribing, like the videos as well, share them, hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I do an upload. Leave a comment in the comment section. In today's video, I will be doing a review of the Beats Studio Buds. Right, I will be doing an unboxing and then giving you my review on it. All right guys, so see the earbuds, the Beats earbuds. I bought them on Amazon. Take a look. So it comes in a little package. However, I bought two because I bought another one. Let me show you, which is for my little brother, but this one is mine and I'll be opening this one. So they both came in a way bigger box than the size of these. These basically can, you see, in your palm of your hand, basically takes the space. So you know it's not really a big size package. So let's open it with me. All right, so here it seems to have a little tape part. I think I should tear it. Yes, I see the things that tear. Okay, and let's open. Voila, voila. All right, let's see. This is how the inside look. I think it's nicely packaged, looking neat. So let's take out everything. All right, so here I have these, and behind, of course, you have some informational aspects, but it's also in different languages such as Spanish. So this is this. Let's see what this part is. Great sound starts with proper fit. Okay, so I just think this is for design purpose. Oh no, it's not. Voila, take a look. I really like how they did this part, to be honest. I really like it. It's just cute. Let me form it back and see. So it's just like this, just like a cute little area, and you just open and you find your earbuds here. Okay, and this part is the USB part for the charger. So yeah, now this part is, of course, close up, it's actually the earbud case. And let's take a look. Ooh, here they are. I like the gray so far. I really like it. This is what it looks like. So yes, this is what it looks like. Very small. And you know, they come with some earbud cushion on it already, but these are the extra ones. These ones are the extra ones. Oh, this one. Yeah. So I am going to try it out. Let me see if I can fit it back. Come on, girl. Oh yeah. So I fit it back and this is what it looks like. So this part, I guess, is just, it's feeling pretty firm. So it's just to hold it in place, I guess. And voila, these are the accessories. So you have your earbuds. This one is twisted a little, so you can change at any time you want. And this one, the USB part, and your case, and the earbuds themselves. I got these earbuds from Amazon for $89.95. At the time, there was a promotion. So if you should go on Amazon now, it might be a little bit more pricey. So these are not very cheap, but they are not very expensive at the same time. And as you can see, the earbud case is pretty small, so it's pretty portable. You can take it around and it's convenient for you to use. You can use the earbuds for up to 8 hours. Very importantly, it supports spatial audio. Also, there is noise canceling, right? It's compatible with your Android phones as well as your Apple phones too. So overall, you get a very good experience where your calls won't be affected with the noise. I pretty much love using this, so you can definitely check it out.